A friend in need is a friend indeed. This statement is well proved and it is always true. And if we judge Bassanio from this point of view, now the opinion will be definite and obviously there will be some different interpretation of friendship. When Bassanio was in trouble, he lost all his money as well as hopes in life. He spent all the money, everything that he had, in living a luxurious royal life. And he was hesitating in asking any help from Antonio. But a loyal friend, a friend in need, Antonio, did what? He told him that if you want, he said to Bassanio, if Bassanio wants, he can lie open his parts, character, wealth and everything to serve his purpose. Bassanio also in Act 1 Scene 3 we have found, he told Antonio not to sign the bond. But that tone was not that active. He did not force his friend to cancel the bond. It was a passive tone. It was somewhat soft tone in passive way. He told his friend, don't sign the bond. So this one will not come into consideration. But the way he enjoyed in Belmont, forgetting that the tension of his friend, that is something to be criticized. But here in Act 4 Scene 1, till now how much you have read, what you have found, Bassanio is in total passive mode. There is no way a match between Bassanio and Shylock. The argument they had, that was one-sided. The way Shylock talked to him, it's like a father talking to a son, a teacher talking to a teacher's student. There is no match. So, shall I call it, shall I say it that the bond of friendship is weak? This is my question to you. Now, don't go to an early conclusion by seeing the introduction of the video. Obviously, Bassanio is a failure in saving his friend directly, but the pain he is suffering, the pain he is having in his heart, that is no less than anything. He really wants to save his friend, but he does not have the means to do that. And a man without means is like man without value. So he may be valueless in this particular sense. He may not be sufficient to tackle Shylock, but we cannot undervalue the quality of friendship and the quality of love he is having for his dear friend Antonio. Till now we have not read that part, but we will surely going to read that part where he is going to stake everything, bet everything to save the life of his friend, even his own life. But who wants Bassanio's life? What Shylock wants is Antonio, due to he wants the success in his business. So several factors are here which are running here. We can see Duke, that is totally partial, Antonio is submissive, extremely submissive, he is not having any kind of will to live a proper life. Further we have Portia, the pure fusion, mixture of beauty and brain. Here he is playing with Shylock's mind. Can you remember Act 3 Scene 1, where Tubal played a very crucial role and he was almost toying or playing with Shylock mindset, once making him happy by saying that Antonio is destroyed, and one making him sad, but telling him what? Telling him that your daughter has spent so much money in Genoa. So here Portia will do the same with Shylock. What she will do? She will be making him flying in hopes, in high colors, by saying that you are correct in taking the penalty. But very next line, what he will do? She will do? She will make him understand that Shylock, you are wrong, at the end of this very scene. So it's very interesting and very important part that we are going to study. What I want from you, that proper study of each and every line. So here you go. We'll start from here. Antonio, Portia, you, merchant, have you anything to say? Antonio, but little. I am armed and well prepared. Here, armed, you can write ready. and well prepared, that you can write that, mentally prepared. Give me your hand, Bassanio, fare you well. Grieve not that I am fallen to this. Give me your hand means shake. They are shaking hands, or maybe some other works. They are just kissing each other's hand as to show the rituals of saying goodbye. Bassanio, fare you well. Bassanio, fare you well means goodbye. Grieve not that I am fallen to this for you. This is a suggestion that Bassanio should not feel bad. Bassanio should not feel bad that his friend Antonio is dead due to him. For herein fortune shows herself more kind. He thinks fortune is kinder to him than any other people. Fortune or fortuna, that also you can use, is kinder to him than anyone else. Why? That is going to be mentioned later. Then is her custom. Custom means her regular actions. It is still her use to let the rich man outlive his wealth. It is still her use means she normally does what? She let the rich man, that means the pathetic fellow, the fellow who is suffering, outlive his wealth, means finish or diminish. Finish his wealth. To view with hollow eye and wrinkled brow. With growing age, the man will get hollow eye and the brow will get wrinkled due to tension. Wrinkled means folded. An age of poverty. So what our nature does or Fortuna does, she is very cruel sometimes. She makes a man finish his wealth, eat up all his wealth. Then further what she does, she makes her finish his wealth, makes him finish his wealth, then further allows him to grow old and see an age of poverty with his wrinkled eyes and wrinkled brow and hollow eyes. From which lingering penance of such misery doth she cut me off. From which lingering penance, lingering means here long term or prolonged. Penance means suffering. Of such misery, such pathetic condition, she cut me off, means she released me. That good thing she has done. Commend me to your honorable wife. Relate my story to your great wife, Portia. Tell her the process of Antonio's end. Tell her how did Antonio die. Tell her the process of Antonio's end. Say how I loved you. Speak me fair in death. Speak good about me after my death. Commend me to your honorable wife, that stands for here Portia is honorable, that is well known to Bassanio. Say how I loved you, speak fair in death. And when the tale is told, bid her be judge. When the story is going to be conveyed fully, bid her be judge. Allow her to be the judge. Her stands for Portia. Whether Bassanio had not once a love, whether Bassanio was not having a real friend, here love means friendship. Repent but you that you shall lose your friend. Repent, be sad by thinking that you will lose your friend. And he repents not that he pays your debt. Here he means Antonio. But Antonio will never repent that he is dying due to the debt taken by Bassanio. For if the Jew do cut deep enough, if the Jew cut the flesh little deep, what will happen? I'll pay it presently with all my heart. I'll pay all the debt with all my heart. So, this is something very emotional. So, kindly go through this one. Finding doubt, obviously let me know.